Thanks for visiting Utah Bankruptcy Questions and Answers. This is a video series presented by attorney Amy Butters to help people in Clearfield, Utah find answers to their questions about bankruptcy. If you need to speak with a bankruptcy lawyer in Clearfield, call Amy at 801-513-DEBT. That's 801-513-3328.
Video 15, How to Find a Bankruptcy Lawyer. This might be the most important topic we discuss. More problems can be traced back to who the lawyer was or what they actually did than any of the other topics we discussed. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality lingers long after the joy of a low price has faded. Rarely is this more true than in the case of a bankruptcy attorney that has too much to do and not enough time to do it. In most cases, don't ask advice from family and friends unless they are lawyers and you feel confident that they will give you sound, unbiased counsel. Be extremely cautious if you're considering a paralegal services that involve non-lawyers offering to prepare bankruptcy forms for a fee. They cannot give you legal advice on difficult questions or cases, and they offer you nothing once the case begins. Finally, this field is littered with shady individuals that give bad advice and even in some cases defraud consumers. Now, during your initial consultation with your attorney, he may ask you a few questions. What debts are giving you the most trouble? What significant assets do you own or control? And how did your debts arise? Are your debts secured or unsecured? Is there any legal action pending that the lawyer should be aware of, like a foreclosure, repossession, garnishment, or utility service termination? And what is your overall goal in filing this case? Now, some of the questions you should ask your attorney. This might seem silly, but are you the attorney? How long have you been practicing bankruptcy law? How long have you been practicing bankruptcy in the state that you're living in? Do you personally attend any hearings that we might be required to attend? Do you work with us after bankruptcy to help us with our credit? And how do I know that my credit report will be updated properly? Are you very knowledgeable about foreclosures, short sales, and loan modifications? If applicable, you may bring up the 722 redemptions and adversarial proceedings or lien strips. This could be either because it's pertinent to your case, or if you're like me, I like knowing that if necessary, they have educated themselves in all aspects of the law so they're prepared to help any client.
Now, if you enjoyed this video, but you feel like you still have some unanswered questions, don't worry, we've got you covered. We've actually created an entire video series that answers all the commonly asked questions about bankruptcy in Utah. Go ahead on over to our website, LaytonBankruptcyLawyers.com, and there you'll be able to download our free ebook, and you'll be directed to our main website where the entire video series is located.